Recently I was thinking, how can I make a deeper connection with my viewers and interact with them without uploading a new video? If you have 500 subscribers, you can access the community tab and post an image poll, text poll, or video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload an animated GIF to community section so you can make a deeper connection with your viewers. You'll also learn where to find animated GIFs on the net and how to make a GIF from scratch using a clip from your video. To search for a GIF that's already made, go to jiffy.com. It's free to use and you can select from any of the categories or enter your main keyword in the search box. Later, I'll show you how to upload an animated GIF from your phone. I'm going to enter connection. It says connection people. Here's a good one, so I'm going to click on that. It says I'm trying very hard not to connect with people right now. So I'm going to right click it, select save image as. I'm going to label it not connect. Click save, and here's my GIF. If I drag and drop it into my browser bar, then it'll play the GIF. Now click on your community tab in YouTube Studio, click on image. It says drag up to 5 images or GIFs, or select from your computer. It says upload an image with an aspect ratio between 2.5 and 5.2. Only select images or GIFs that you have permission to use. According to YouTube, any image that you upload to the community tab must be less than 16 megabytes. File types include JPEG, PNG, GIF, and WBP. The suggested aspect ratio is 1:1, which is a square image. So this could be 1080 by 1080 or 1280 by 1280. So I'm going to take my GIF here, drag and drop it onto the canvas, and here it is. Now I can add a message above the GIF. Check out my latest video, how to upload an animated GIF to community tab. You'll also learn where to find ready-made GIFs and how to make one from scratch. I can post it right away, or if I click the 3 dots, I can schedule the post. So I'm going to schedule it for later. Click schedule post, choose the date. I'll select the 29th at 7 o'clock and schedule it. And here's a GIF that's being uploaded to my community tab. Tap on the YouTube app, tap the plus sign, tap create a post, select the GIF that you've uploaded to your camera roll. Tap next, add your message. If you want to post it right away, tap post. But I want to schedule it, so I'm going to tap schedule. I'm going to select 30th, tap OK, schedule time, 7, tap AM, tap OK, and tap done. Tap schedule, tap view. Here it says schedule for November 30th at 7:37 AM. If you want to edit it, just tap the 3 dots, tap edit. So you can add something more to a message, tap done, and post is edited. If you want to delete this, then just tap the 3 dots and tap delete, and delete post. Post deleted. Here's the animated GIF I'm going to show you how to make from scratch. I'm going to be using an online video and image editor called Kapwing. I'll place a link to Kapwing in the description below this video. After you've created an account at Kapwing and signed in, click create a GIF. It says make a GIF, upload a video or image here, then choose export as a GIF when you're ready. I'm going to choose the square format 1:1. Now I'm going to add my media, so click add media. Keep in mind this video and image editor also gives you the ability to add multiple images, then adjust the time duration to create the GIF. I can upload a file or drag and drop a file here, or add a YouTube URL here. So I'm going to add a YouTube URL. I'm going to add the URL to this video, paste it in here. Now it's fetching the video. Click on the video. Now I can adjust the size if I wish, like so it fits into the window. I can select the video clip that I want to turn into a GIF. I'm going to split it here, so I'm going to right click, click split. I'm going to delete this part here, move this over here. So here's the clip that I've chosen. So I'm going to split that again, right click, split. I'm going to delete the rest of the video. Now I'm going to add some subtitles to my video. So click on the video, click subtitles, click auto generate, click auto generate. Now it's adding the subtitles. Now play the video and correct the subtitles. Now I'm going to make it bigger, maybe 28. I can move it down, I can move it up. Okay, now I want to mute it. Keep in mind, animated GIFs do not play sound, so when you convert a video file into a GIF, it removes the sound. If I want to get rid of the sound, I can just reduce the volume. I can also right click it and detach the audio. Click Export Project, select GIF, resolution auto, and keep the file size small, and click Export as GIF. Now it's processing. Here's my animated GIF. I can copy the link to it, embed it, or I can download the file. So click download file, and here's my animated GIF. So I drag and drop that into my browser and play it. Now you just need to upload it to your community tab using your computer or your phone like I showed you previously. If you want to learn how to add polls, videos, images to your community tab on a desktop or mobile phone, watch this video on the screen right now, how to add post to your community tab.